Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking up some surf and turf. We got some Delmonico steak and about 8-10 ounce lobster tails. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our steaks ready. We're going to put a little bit of our chosen avocado oil on here. We're going to rub them in. And we're going to take a little bit of our salt, kosher salt that is. You definitely want to be a little bit generous. We'll sprinkle some kosher salt, and then we'll sprinkle some pepper. And then we're going to flip them over. And then we'll use the tongs here to help. Help with that. Put a little bit more on the top. Rub it in. A little bit of our salt. And a little bit of our pepper. Okay, now that our steaks are pretty much ready, we'll put them over here. Now we're going to get our lobster tail ready. Now we already have one prepared, and I'm going to show you how to do the second one. What you want to do is take your kitchen shears. You just want to get underneath the tail, underneath the shell here. Don't want to go deep, just underneath of it. And then you're going to want to cut right down the middle. Just cut it down just to the tail. And you want to carefully open this up a little bit. You don't want to break it too much because you want the meat to kind of sit on it. Just like so. Once you get it open, you can close the shell back and just let it rest on there. Like so. Now, what we're going to want to do, we're going to put some butter, some garlic, a little bit of lemon juice on here. We already have our melted butter. Now we'll add a little bit of garlic paste in here. And a couple squeezes of lemon juice. There we go. And we'll just kind of mix this in. Boy, this smells good. Alright, now what we're going to do, we'll take this and we'll take our brush. And we will brush some of that on top of here, and this will give it a nice base to it. You'll see when it comes out. And you know what? Some of you might not like this idea, but I think it's going to be good. We'll put a little bit here on the steak here. Alright, now we got a little more for later on after we're done for dipping. Alright, so we will get this on our pan and we're going to broil this on high. We got our broiler on high and we're going to broil this for about maybe 15-20 minutes. And when that's done, we'll be right back. Our steak and lobster tail surf and turf is done. And here is the final look. Like that. We have our steak set at about 150 internal and the lobster tail about the same. We're going to put a little bit of our butter garlic seasoning on both. Again. And I'm going to put a little bit on here too. Give that a taste. Cut it open. See what it looks like. I can't wait to taste this Delmonico steak. Look at that. It's done on the inside. Cut a little bit of piece off. Oh man. This is good. Let's try a little bit of our lobster tail. There you go, you can just cut that off. Not much to it when it's cooked, but it's going to be definitely good. Oh yeah, definitely good. Alright guys, I give the surf and turf a big thumbs up. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and leave comments. If you try it out, let us know how it turns out for you. I hope you enjoyed the video and hope to see you again soon. Bye and God bless.